Congratulations on deciding to buy a home, but don't just do it because buying a house is the cool thing to do right now. You may as well do it because it's a great investment, and don't forget, there's some write-offs associated with it too. Hi, this is Shakeima Chatman with the Chatman Group with Carolina Elite Real Estate, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the tax advantages you get with buying a home. Has your tax accountant been telling you you really need to buy a house? Or maybe it's your mom, you need to buy a house. You want to know why? It's because they know the advantages of owning versus renting. So exactly what is tax deductible? When you're making mortgage payments those first few years, a large portion of those payments are going to be interest. All of those interest payments can be written off on your tax returns. And it's not just the interest payments that you're going to be able to write off. Every year you're going to pay property taxes, and those taxes can also be written off. And here's another thing. When you buy the home, you prepay interest up front, and you'll be able to write that off too. So you're probably looking at me and thinking, what does that even mean? Well, let me give you an example and show you exactly how this works. So let's take John Doe, for example. John makes $50,000 a year. Over the course of the year, John has spent $8,000 in mortgage interest fees. When it's time for him to write his taxes, only $42,000 of his income will be taxable because he's going to be able to write off that mortgage interest. And there's more. Remember we talked about the property taxes? If he had $2,000 in property taxes that year, he'll be able to write that off too. And so now he's only going to be taxed at $40,000 of his income. So now when you're looking online and you always see the statement that it's cheaper to own versus renting, this is why. By lowering your tax liability, you're actually able to put more money in your pocket. So as you can see, there really are tax advantages to buying a home. And yes, as always, your mom was right. If you have more questions about buying a home, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Shakeima Chatman with the Chatman Group with Carolina Elite Real Estate. Thank you for watching. And if you have any real estate needs in the Charleston area, give me a call.